Did you know that a single lemon contains more vitamin C than an orange? This little yellow fruit, often relegated to the role of garnish or flavor enhancer, is a powerhouse of versatility and health benefits. From brightening up our drinks to cleaning our homes, lemons have the ability to transform our daily routines in ways we might never have imagined. As we delve into the world of lemons, we'll discover not just their culinary uses, but also their surprising applications in health and cleaning, revealing how this humble fruit can enhance our lives in unexpected ways. In our fast-paced lives, we often find ourselves looking for efficient solutions to everyday challenges. Whether it's getting rid of stubborn stains, adding zest to our meals, or finding natural remedies for common ailments, the quest for simplicity and effectiveness can feel overwhelming. That's where lemons come into play, offering a plethora of hacks that can elevate our routines and provide practical solutions to some of our most persistent problems. Let's start with cooking, where lemons shine as an essential ingredient. One of the simplest ways to incorporate lemons into your meals is through lemon-infused olive oil. Just take a clean, dry jar and fill it halfway with high-quality olive oil. Zest a lemon and add the zest to the jar, followed by a few slices of the lemon itself. Seal the jar and let it sit for a week in a cool, dark place. This infusion not only adds a refreshing flavor to salads and grilled vegetables, but also enhances the nutritional profile of your dishes. The bright, citrusy notes can elevate the simplest of meals, transforming a mundane salad into a gourmet experience. Now, let's tackle the common challenge of food preservation. Have you ever found your avocados browning too quickly? A simple lemon hack can help keep them fresh longer. Just squeeze a bit of lemon juice over the exposed flesh of the avocado before storing it in the refrigerator. The citric acid in the lemon slows down the oxidation process, allowing you to enjoy your avocados at their best for a few extra days. This tip not only saves food, but also cuts down on waste, making your grocery budget stretch further. Lemons are also a fantastic ally in the kitchen when it comes to cleaning. The acidic nature of lemons makes them a natural disinfectant and deodorizer. For instance, if you're dealing with a stubborn cutting board that has absorbed strong odors, simply sprinkle some coarse salt on the board, cut a lemon in half, and use it to scrub the surface. The salt acts as an abrasive, while the lemon juice eliminates bacteria and neutralizes odors. Rinse with warm water, and your cutting board will be as good as new, free from the lingering scents of garlic or fish. Speaking of cleaning, let's not forget about the microwave. If you've ever faced the daunting task of cleaning a microwave that has seen better days, a lemon can come to your rescue. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with water and add the juice of one lemon along with the lemon halves. Microwave on high for 5 minutes, allowing the steam to build up. The acidity of the lemon combined with the steam will loosen any food particles stuck to the walls of the microwave, making it a breeze to wipe clean afterward. This method not only simplifies the cleaning process, but also leaves your microwave smelling fresh and citrusy. Health is another area where lemons can work wonders. Many people struggle with hydration, especially when plain water becomes monotonous. A simple yet effective solution is to infuse water with lemon. Not only does this make drinking water more enjoyable, but it also provides a boost of vitamin C, which is essential for a strong immune system. You can get creative with this hack by adding other fruits like strawberries or mint leaves to your lemon-infused water, creating a refreshing beverage that encourages you to drink more throughout the day. Moreover, lemons can aid digestion. Drinking warm lemon water first thing in the morning can stimulate your digestive system and promote a healthy gut. The citric acid in lemons helps to break down food more efficiently, which can reduce bloating and discomfort. This simple morning ritual can set a positive tone for the day, encouraging mindful eating habits and overall well-being. As we explore these lemon hacks, one stands out as particularly transformative: the use of lemon juice as a natural remedy for sore throats. Combine the juice of half a lemon with a tablespoon of honey and warm water, and you have a soothing drink that can alleviate discomfort. This concoction not only provides relief, but also strengthens your immune system due to the antioxidants in honey and the vitamin C in lemons. It's a natural, effective solution that can replace over-the-counter medications, empowering individuals to take control of their health with simple, accessible ingredients. In conclusion, the transformative power of lemons extends far beyond their role as a culinary ingredient. From enhancing flavor and preserving food, to providing natural cleaning solutions and health benefits, lemons are a versatile ally in our daily lives. By incorporating these lemon hacks into your routine, you can tackle common challenges with ease, promote healthier habits, and simplify your cleaning tasks. The most surprising of these hacks, using lemon juice as a natural remedy for sore throats, exemplifies how a simple fruit can alter our perspectives on health and wellness. Embracing these small yet impactful changes can lead to a more vibrant, efficient, and healthier lifestyle, all thanks to the humble lemon.